Balinese Modern Architectural Style. Welcome to my channel. Discover the captivating world of Balinese Modern Architectural Style with us. In this video, we delve into the essence of Balinese Modern Architecture, a fascinating blend of traditional Balinese design elements and contemporary influences. We take you on a captivating journey through the unique and enchanting realm of Balinese modern architecture. Join us on a visual journey through stunning examples of Balinese modern architecture, where we'll explore the intricate detailing, open spaces, and harmonious integration with nature. We explore the intricacies of Balinese modern architecture, showcasing stunning homes, resorts, and public spaces that exemplify the seamless integration of nature and human creativity. Learn how architects have skillfully adapted ancient Balinese architectural principles to suit modern lifestyles and aesthetic preferences, creating breathtaking homes, resorts, and public spaces that resonate with serenity and elegance. Sustainable practices and eco-friendly materials used in these architectural marvels, reflecting a deep respect for the environment and a commitment to preserving the beauty of Bali's landscapes. We'll also uncover the use of sustainable materials and eco-friendly practices that not only enhance the beauty of these structures, but also contribute to preserving the island's natural beauty for future generations. A design aficionado, or simply curious about the charm of Balinese modern architecture, this video offers insights, inspiration, and a visual feast for the eyes. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, an aspiring designer, or simply curious about the fascinating world of Balinese modern architecture, this video will undoubtedly captivate your imagination and leave you inspired. So sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the enchanting realm of Balinese modern architectural style. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more captivating architectural explorations from around the world. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to be inspired. Discover how the traditional Balinese design principles harmoniously merge with contemporary elements to create breathtaking structures that celebrate both culture and innovation.